My parents had scepters made of metal and wood that shined like gold and silver under the hot sun when they tended the fields. They knew how to bow and how to kneel because planting rice made them experts. They knew how to save and how to appreciate because being poor made them professionals. My parents left their homeland in search of a better life and found their way here. I'm their every incarnation of their every hope and dream. Forget sterling silver or white gold because they've got a walking, breathing piece. But they don't see the dilemma that they've put me in. I'm in a push and a pull between my cultural identity. My mom always said that I was born and raised on Guam, but I'm really from the Philippines. I guess that means I'm supposed to be part fob and part almost chod. I guess that means I'm supposed to be able to sing. I am lucky, and I can see that I love no and have an English translation, but I don't because I don't know enough to translate it. But I know that somewhere in there, that Philippine national anthem talks about pride, something I'm supposed to have. I'm supposed to be full Filipino, but now I'm half American colonized. I can't be proud of my heritage. I know virtually nothing about the first half of it. And the second half, I know so much about that sometimes I'm ashamed of it. I know exactly what it means to be American colonized. It means that Uncle Sam wanted them to force this island's culture to its knees. And now he wants you to load and point an M16, but he gets to call all the shots. It means to be an unincorporated territory, owned by the United States of America, and still called free. Descendants of the Philippines. I chewed and swallowed every sharp Filipino word that I could, expecting some sort of meaning to crawl up from deep inside of me. Words like salita, tayo, at laban, speak, stand, and fight. I let my subconscious be the projector, with the insides of my eyelids as the projector screens. I figured there had to be some sort of cultural identity embedded within my dreams. But I was wrong. And so now, I fear that in the future, my own children will not know their culture. They'll be spitting images of their father, who snipped off his native tongue for unified slurs, who blotted out the sun and replaced it with stars and stripes, who defines Filipino as hard-working, but never worked as hard as his parents ever did a day in his life. I would hate for my children to be exactly like me, because I'm just my parents' walking, breathing, paradoxical piece of jewelry.
Manny Pacquiao just called. He said he wants you to sing at his next fight.